keep Samoa clean. Ofisa Aulelei, keep Samoa clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Ofisa Aulelei, keep Samoa clean. Hey, hey, go!
Another year, another page. Still you're faithful, still the same. Through the joy and through the test, you have always been my strength. Oh, what's ahead I do not know, but I know who holds it all. Every season, every road, you've been with me through it all.
Ole outreach program at the Ofisa Aulelei. Ina mau se Samoa maloloina, ma se Samoa tu mama, tu mau Samoa tu mama, ua maloloina foi so fu Samoa. Keep Samoa clean and healthy.
You don't change. Yesterday, today, forever. Yes. Yesterday, today, forever.
It's a beautiful morning here at Tuanaimato. We have a strong belief in cleanliness as closest to godliness. Trying to promote the awareness of keeping Samoa green.
Marijuana green?
I don't understand the term of marijuana green. I've never seen marijuana in my life, as long as that's documented. And I thought you can like, keep it green, like.
Yeah.
Do you remember the ad? Yeah. The fire thing, keep it green. We also want to promote your wealth through your health. If you want to prolong your health and prolong the wealth of Samoa, this is the way to go. Keep Samoa clean.
Good morning, Taro Falava. My name is Malua Ngaravale. In this beautiful morning, Mako Usumai, I Tuanaimato. Yeah, so we come contribute our what do you call it? Cut that out. So yeah, we came to pick up rubbish to, as we mentioned in the beginning, cleanliness is close to godliness. As a community, it's by picking up rubbish this morning. That's why we're here with the Ofisa Aulelei, Brothers of Christ, picking up rubbish, reduce, reuse and recycle. So, yeah, not only that we're keeping Samoa clean, but it's keeping us fit as well, as many of us are big backs. Ofisa Aulelei, keep Samoa clean. Yo.
Good morning, Samoa. We are here in Tuanaimato, helping our community to clean as we reach out for our program. Shout out to whoever watched this. Keep Samoa clean. Thank you.
Yeah. Also for later folk. Matungo fia level ne fa boy boy lo fanga solo date. Yo le mai le fa mala pisi. Ya nga te foi leo le mea tau plastic. Yo no tulanga la vole. Tu mama lo tu mai tu no tatu tunu. Ya le ala fanga solo tu ma tu fa boy tu ti da uma. Ya wa fo ya fa mai no tatu tunu nei Tuanaimato. Maftai mo la no.
Ya, oleh fa boy la boleh. Tengah lapis ya oleh. Tahu ini oleh. Tu malam jeli, nufang jeli.
Ya. Lewo mako o mai tu tamatau o malai hoki. Ole tu ang vale malai kapolo. Ya, ole. Pa mo lava yo le nei nu. Ya, ole. Lang suol tatu malo. Ya, awale tu mama. Male fa mama ina. Le ngata ole lapis ole plastic. Ole tingi apa, tingi fang. Ya. Nisio lapisi. E pei ona ele o to e mo mia e tato sio manga taro lava le nei nuu mo tātou atu nuu mo tātou ngā lulu e whaatasi ia tātou ta pena ma whamama Samoa ia mo se lumanai manuia mo alo ma whanau mo nei mātai au ma le lumanai ia le nei aso o le aso sila i le lapisi le i te minei
Lawa sunga fia mo fisit tele la sport e foringa mai au whanau a onga ma tamaiti tele lapisi ia mai atini apa pia apa in ia amol mole tatuanata lapisi whaonga pins ia tawal sai fu ma loina tuma vali stil nam mole tanki fiva rueni aso
tori o la aso sila i le lapisi mai le tai au
haftai lo sunga le fonga por kalame sisel mai Samoa sa mai lava na le la ile tal lima nei lava wo so le la o lo fatino pele o nanga fua po le au nanga no ma se tongi fa mai no o le ai Tuanaimato nei ia e tele le lapisi plastic ia o le mea foi pito silon tau o le tumama o le batu Faifeau tuanga le tunu ia tau tuana tumama ia lo.
Yeah, thank you very much. I think we're looking at a lot of bottles, glass bottles, and also aluminums, and it's a good message to keep our island beautiful, keep our island clean, and at the same time, because this is where everybody comes together at the sports complex, and I think it's really a good message that we actually come out about the public to keep our sports complex clean. And we've seen a lot of cigarette butts, and we try to get some other ways and other means to collect that too. But we're mainly focusing on all the rubbish so that we can have our sports complex clean and neat. As a motto, cleanliness is next to godliness. Ofisa Aulelei of Taiteli.
ai mora no ia o lo sila mai le ni tai au ia le alava e tam fai fa mai ia e te whaalo so tātou atu no ia lo mato i nei si usenga ia le tūre i Tuanaimato marai kikiti ia mato a tele lava la pisi ia olon tā ua ia whamama so tātou atu no ia mo sa mo mama ia me so le ola malolo ina o tātou tanata maranganga whaalolo whaatai.
Keep Samoa clean, Ofisa youth. I like clean Samoan. Awaras.
What? Oh, what are you talking about, man?
Mato la mali neta oi, kama masa mo. Yo, have that.
Any work, any jobs you need, cutting trees, picking up rubbish, the officer will be there. Car wash, mouthwash. Available 24/7, 4761 141 811. Ofisa Aulelei, keep Samoa clean.
Keep Samoa clean.
Poi kakak, lepas Melaka.
New every morning, faithful and true. New every morning, I trust in you. New every morning, your love remains. Yesterday's gone, you're still the same. Tomorrow, I don't fear what I can't see, 'cause the God who holds the heavens is the one who watches me. When the cupboard's looking empty, when the road feels tight and long, I remember what you promised.